In this video, I'm going to show you how to white out in PDFgear. Now, there's actually no direct whiteout tool. However, there's a blackout tool, which I'm going to show you right now, and also an alternative to your whiteout. So first, you can go to the Protect tab, and if you don't really care whether it's a whiteout or a blackout, which is of course a redaction, you can just go to Protect, click on Redact here, and then just basically draw rectangles wherever you want to redact, and that way you have a blackout. However, if you actually want a whiteout, it's also possible, just a bit more like a long process. You could go to the Edit tab up top, or the Comment tab, excuse me, and then you want to click on the rectangle, and then you want to draw the rectangle where you want to white out, for example, like this. There we go. And then you simply want to change the fill color to white over here, and then the border color to white as well. And there we go. You have yourself a whiteout that way. And of course, you can do this wherever you want. Like for example, over here, I could white out this portion like that. And what's good about this is actually it's resizable, so we can resize it whenever you want. And what's also great is whenever you actually set a color and a border of the fill color, you'll be able to, of course, have like a whiteout rectangle, and you won't actually have to change the color every single time. So that's how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.